This is Vijayawada bypass line, and these two lines which you see, both OHs, these lines are from Warangal. These go directly to Vijayawada station, and the freights you can see there behind. Those freights have connection direct to Vijayawada bulb cabin. You can see all go checking there. In parallel to this bypass line, one more line is constructed to ease out freight traffic. So this starts from Mustabad until it continues till this Vijayawada West cabin. I hope so. Came here for spotting weekly express, Shalimar Secunderabad weekly. I think this is only the train during the morning session which travels to this bypass line, I mean Vijayawada bypass line. Most of the trains like Kokanada, Gautami, Kachiguda, Visakhapatnam, they travel through this line during midnight hours. Another front panto VAG 9. Yesterday I spotted VAP 5 with front panto, and today this is VAG 9 going towards Vijayawada junction. Mostly freights don't take this line. I wonder how it came here. Usually it follows the freight yard line. I guess it's the train. Initially I thought it's AC Express because there is also one train, Secunderabad Shalimar AC. So this has been converted to LHP recently only. Now this train will block the path for the trains coming from Vijayawada and to Vijayawada from Warangal side. If it has been a freight, it would have gone directly towards bulk cabin without diverting here towards Warangal side. You can see the train diverging towards Warangal side. I mean changing the track towards Warangal side. You can hear one more honk. You can see the freight going towards either Visakhapatnam side or Vijayawada side.